Hey Otters, I am back for the next video in this to show you how to set up a temperature graph. Very similar to setting up the wind speed graph, just a little bit of different data. So if you remember, the first thing we did was we clicked in here, and I already did that. I typed in the name of my city, which we're going to use the same city for temperature as we did for wind speed. So first thing you need to do is go in and type that in there. All right, and now we need some new data to fill in here. So first thing, I'll type in the days. So because I'm starting on April 29th, that's the day I'm going to start with, is April 29th, then April 30th, then May 1st, May 2nd, and May 3rd. So now I just need to collect my data. So remember, to do that, we are going to do a split screen with our Google search. So I'll slowly drag up, click on Safari, drag it over all the way to the right to create that split screen. And you'll notice that I still have my website pulled up from before where I had typed in wind speed forecast Wausau, Wisconsin. You can still use this even though it was wind speed because they also have temperature on here as well. So this time I'm just going to click on temperature. It shows me a cool graph up here, but really what I'm interested in is this information down here because I'm looking for high temperature. And if I look here, Wednesday, April 29th is the first data point that I want to collect. You'll notice the high temperature on the left, low temperature on the right. So my high temperature for today, Wednesday, April 29th, is 51. So over here, I'm going to type in 51 and enter. And you'll notice right away, it went from my chart into my graph. So I'm seeing this nice purple bar here. Now I look at Thursday, April 30th. I see a high of 61 degrees. I type in 61 and enter. Now I'm looking at Friday, May 1st, 67. I'm noticing that the temperature is going up. That makes me happy. Now Saturday, May 2nd is 68 degrees, another nice day. And finally Sunday, May 3rd, a high of 63. Looks like it's going to be a nice weekend. Type in 63 and enter in my table. And again, numbers generated this awesome graph for me here. So I'm going to get rid of my split screen by tapping in the middle right here and kind of dragging Safari out of there. Okay, and now the thing that I didn't say in the last video, but that I can say, or I'll say now, is that if you want to, you can click on your graph here. And if you would like to, you can go into the paintbrush settings here, and if you want to, you can kind of change around the colors if you'd like to. It's totally up to you. You don't have to do that. You could go into the chart type, and let's see, we do want to stick with a bar graph, but you could go down here and maybe do a 3D one if you wanted to. I know those ones look kind of cool. I'm just going to stick with the 2D column. But just so you know, if you'd like to change around some of that stuff, you're welcome to do that too, to kind of make it your own.